Think you missed the AI gold rush? Most people are doing it completely wrong. Today, I'm showing you the sustainable way to earn in 2026. The internet is flooded with get-rich-quick schemes, leaving most beginners frustrated and overwhelmed by a constant stream of information that leads nowhere. Before we dive into the money, you need to understand one thing: AI is not magic. It is a sophisticated tool designed to enhance human productivity. Think of it as a digital intern that can process vast amounts of data in seconds, allowing you to focus on strategy and creative direction. The first strategy for 2026 is AI-enhanced freelancing. Modern professionals are using AI assistants to speed up writing, coding, and administrative tasks. By automating the repetitive parts of your workflow, you can handle 3 times the clients without sacrificing the quality of your output. Strategy number 2, content creation. AI tools now allow a single person to run a full-scale media production house from their bedroom. From generating scripts to editing visuals, AI handles the heavy lifting, letting you build a personal brand that resonates with your audience. The third method is creating digital products. Use AI to design ebooks, online courses, or even software templates that sell while you sleep. Success in 2026 isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter by leveraging these systems to build scalable income streams. But here is a reality check: consistency is the only secret ingredient. Without a 30-day action plan, these tools are just toys. It is time to stop watching and start doing. Take action today, master one tool, and build your future in this new economy. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI strategies and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tools.